we'll guide you through how to duplicate a task in Asana. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Google Chrome on your computer and wait for the browser to load completely. In the search bar, type Asana and press enter to search for the official website. From the search results, click the official Asana website and wait for the login page to load. Sign into your account using your registered email address and password to access your workspace. After logging in successfully, navigate to the Project or My Tasks section where the task you want to duplicate is located. Click on the specific task you want to duplicate to open its details. Once the Task Details panel appears, review the content to ensure it is the correct task. In the task header, click the three-dot menu to open additional options. From the menu, select Duplicate Task to create a copy of the selected task. Choose what elements you want to copy, such as description, subtasks, attachments, or comments. Confirm the duplication process to generate the new task. A duplicated task will automatically appear in the same project or list. Rename the duplicated task if needed, so it is easy to identify. Adjust the due date or assignee if the new task requires different settings. Verify that all duplicated content matches the original task correctly. If necessary, move the duplicated task to another project to organize your workflow better. You can also compare both tasks side by side to ensure no important information is missing. Duplicating tasks is useful when you need to repeat similar work without creating everything from scratch. Asana will automatically save all changes without requiring manual input. Close the task panel once you have finished reviewing the duplicated task. Your task has now been duplicated successfully and is ready for further editing or assignment.